பிறந்த குழந்தை முதல் 18 வயது வரை உள்ள குழந்தைகளுக்கான இலவச இருதய மருத்துவ ஆலோசனை முகாம் ஆகஸ்ட் 2 வரை கோவை KMCH மருத்துவமனையில் நடைபெறுகிறது. முன்பதிவிற்கு 8754887568.
Today morning, Honorable Chief Minister admitted in the Apollo Hospital. Behalf of Congress Party, behalf of Tamil Nadu people, we pray for speedy recovery. He will come out very short period from hospital. Tamil Nadu people want our Honorable Chief Minister Stalin ji service. He sacrificed a lot for Tamil Nadu people. He will come out very soon. So good health. We pray for the God speedy recovery.
Sir, ADMK Anwar Raja.
Yes, ADMK Anwar Raja is a minority leader in the ADMK party. He is the face of the minority. Now he came and joined the DMK. He taken the very good decision for the Tamil Nadu people future and welfare. He joined the DMK party. Thank you.